it's Lauren here with another episode of the Simply Curly channel. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to the Simply Curly channel. Like this video if you found it helpful. Let's get into it, girls. So today I'm going to go over how I create my at-home deep conditioner. I'm actually freshly out the shower. I just washed my hair, but I'm going to play this clip of all the ingredients that I use. So this deep conditioner is really easy to use. You really can use any conditioner, any oil. You don't have to use like the melanin oil. You can use the oil in your cabinet, whether it's grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever kind of oil you like, and then whatever kind of essential oil you like. I use the one with tea tree oil just to stimulate my scalp. But yeah, it's really whatever you want to make. You don't have to buy your own deep conditioner from Sally's or anything like that. You can just create your own at home, so why not? Oh, this wash that I used on my face is making me look like super tight. I need to use, I'm about to apply a mask, so I didn't want to put any moisturizer on yet, but as I'm talking, my face is drying. So all I use is whatever conditioner I have available. I try to use a cheaper brand of conditioner just because I'm, making a concoction, but you can use high-end conditioner. You don't have to use cheap conditioner. I use an oil, and that could be any oil you want. It could even be the olive oil in your pantry. And then an essential oil. That is an optional step. You do not have to add an essential oil, but if you want an extra boost in your hair, you're gonna want to add that. So I'm freshly out the shower, and I'm gonna start applying the conditioner I made. And I just use my fingers. Can't forget the extras. Okay, so the only reason why I used a grocery bag, or in Chicago we like to say jewel bag, is because I couldn't find my disposable shower caps. So my hair was drying and I didn't feel like looking for it. I had this, so I'm gonna pop it on, bringing it back to the old days, okay? Using what you got. So I'm gonna let this cap sit for actually 15 to 20 minutes. The deep conditioner I made, basically the properties of it is...
What? Oh my God!
The deep conditioner I made, basically the properties of it is, it's gonna penetrate the shaft, number one, just because it's sitting on my head and it's under a cap, which the heat from my scalp will sort of heat up the formula, okay? I have low porosity hair, so I always like to do a deep conditioner once a week, every 2 weeks, just to make sure I like open up my cuticle because and I'll be making this in a future video, but low porosity is when like your hair cuticles are more closed and tight, so any moisture has a hard time getting into it. So you can use heat to lift that cuticle so the products can go in it. And so I'm doing this deep conditioner, penetrating my hair shafts, and I've added nutritious oils and essential oils to add that nutrients to my hair and my scalp. Specifically, the essential oil that I use is lavender and tea tree. So that basically will definitely stimulate hair growth of my scalp because it promotes circulation. So it's just, important to take care of your hair. And while you're sitting down with your cap, whatever, you can put your favorite mask on. And I know I look a little crazy. I did that without a mirror, but this is the mask that I use. I actually forgot where I got it from, but it's almost gone. And it's almost gone, I'm just now realizing it smells like berry. It's strawberry and yarrow mud mask. I don't know what yarrow is, but I think I had to have gotten this like Target or Sephora, like in the line. They always get you with those lines, y'all. So yeah, I always just like to multitask with this, and I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I have took my mask off and it's been like over 20 minutes, so I wanted to show you guys how my hair looks right out of the bag before I rinse my hair out, because you do have to rinse this out, obviously. So let's check it out. And it is super soft and ready to be rinsed out for styling. Alrighty, curls, so I have just washed my hair. I put a cotton t-shirt over my hair for it to dry. I am going to twist my hair tonight to twist out in the morning, but I am going to let my hair dry a lot before I do that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Super quick video again on how I make my own deep conditioner at home before buying a deep conditioner out at Sally's. Honestly, if you have conditioner and you have oil at home, pretty much you have everything you need to make a deep conditioner at home. It still does the job and the trick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. But before I let you go, comment below, have you guys ever done your own deep conditioner at home? Is there anything else that you guys add to your own deep conditioners at home that you love and swear by? I want to know. Comment below. I might add it into my cycle of deep conditioners. But until next time, peace and love.